Class 10th, Lesson 2, Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom, Top 20 MCQs by Let's Study with Shweta Saxena. First, a political system that separates people according to their race. A. Boycott. B. Apartheid. C. Nationality. D. Prosperity. The correct option is B. Apartheid. When was the inauguration day? 10th May, 10th March, 20 May, 20 March. The correct option is 10th May. Third, which party did Mandela choose? A. National African Party, African National Congress. C. Indian National Congress. D. None of these. The correct option is B. African National Congress. Fourth, how did Mandela's hunger for freedom changes his life? A. Made him bold. B. Turned him to a criminal. C. Turned a life-moving man to live like a monk. D. All of the above. The correct option is C. Turned a life-loving man to live like a monk. Fifth, where did Mandela's oath-taking ceremony take place? A. President House. B. Sandstone Amphitheatre. B. Greenstone Amphitheatre. D. Blackwood Amphitheatre. Correct option is B. Sandstone Amphitheatre. What pledge did Mandela take? A. To obey and uphold the Constitution. To devote to the well-being of its people. C. To liberate the people from gender discrimination. D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. Seventh, Mandela defines the meaning of courage. A. Triumph over fear. B. Triumph over poverty. C. Triumph over races. D. All of the above. The correct option is A. Triumph over fear. Eighth, which flame can be hidden but never extinguished? A. Man's love. B. Man's goodness. C. Man's hatred. D. All of the above. The correct option is man's goodness. Ninth, why were two national anthems sung? A. To imply unity. B. To mark the end of racial discrimination. C. To mark gender discrimination. D. Both A and B. The correct option is both A and B. To imply unity, to mark the end of racial discrimination. 10th, we have achieved our political emancipation. Emancipation means freedom from restriction, enslavement, slavery. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is A. Freedom from restriction. What comes more naturally to hurt according to Mandela? A. Hatred. B. Unity. C. Love. D. Racial discrimination. The correct option is C. Love. 12th, name the colors in South African flag. Black, red, green, blue and gold. Black, red, yellow, blue and gold. Orange, black, yellow, blue and silver. Blue, black, blue, violet, saffron and green. The correct option is the A part. 13th, find out a word from the story that means the same as commencement. Commencement होता है किसी चीज़ की शुरुआत. A. Inauguration. B. Retirement. C. Culmination. D. Adjournment. The correct option is A. Inauguration. 14th, what was the national anthem for the white? White जो लोग थे उनका national anthem क्या था? इसके ऑप्शंस बड़े अजीब से हैं तो मैं करेक्ट ऑप्शन पढ़ती हूँ. निकोसी सिकेली आई अफ्रीका. सी. इसमें आप इसकी स्पेलिंग देख लेना, स्पेलिंग लर्न कर लेंगे. C is the correct option. 15th, on the day of inauguration, Mandela was overwhelmed with a sense of A. Pride. B. Happiness. C. History. D. Negativity. C. History. Nelson Mandela spent dash years in the prison. The options are 20, 30, 35, 10. Remember, it's B, 30 years. 17. Nelson Mandela's autobiography is Wings of Fire, Short Walk to Freedom, Long Walk to Freedom, none of the above. Long Walk to Freedom. C. Who accompanied Mandela to the podium on inauguration day? A. His wife. B. His daughter Zinani. C. His son. D. None of the above. The correct option is B. His daughter Zinani. 19th. Who sworn as the first Deputy President of South Africa? The options are Thabo Mbeki, B. Mr. de Klerk, C. Yusuf Dadoo, D. Brown Fisher. The correct option is A. Thabo Mbeki. 20. Who sworn as the second President of South Africa in 1994? The options are Mr. de Klerk, B. Olive Tambo, C. Walter Sisulu, and D. Chief Luthuli. The correct option is Mr. de Klerk, A. Thank you.